Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Microsft Edge browser on my phone N23. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Edge and click search, and now you can click install. Now you can click open. And here you can click skip introduction. Now you can set this browser as your default browser, or you can click not now. Here you can customize your homepage, or you can click not now. Now you can sign in to sync your data, or you can click not now. And here you have to click confirm. And now you can try out Copilot, or you can just click start browsing. And now Microsft Edge is installed on your device. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.